me nah walk alone. Jah light lead the road, every step me carry code. Me walk with light, though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage, just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with knives and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget, one drop beat and Jah inside guide me soul through darkest night. Yes, me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs, my ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper truth so loud, but Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, just remember, walk with light. Me no care if me walk one way, long as Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah we must. Walk with light, keep head high, even when tears fill your eye. Every burden, every plight get lighter when you walk with light. Yes, Jah, me soul take flight. Whoa, try, still rise. One step through skies. Me walk with light for life.
Tread light. This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, me soul it read. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Sacred ground, me kneel and pray before me chime sing with croak of frog. Naya Bingi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when my pass, me ask one plea: bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze, and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct. Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land.
It flows, not outside, but deep within the river in the soul.
Me walk the valley, me cross the heat. Still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make me whole. River in my soul, flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, me spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow, fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control. The freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dove wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Naya Bingi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when we reach the Zion goal, me know it's Jah who fill my bowl. A river in my soul, Jah design. It flow with peace, it flow with time. Forever stream from heights unknown. From him alone, my flesh and bone. Yes, me never walk alone. It not end, it just flow deeper still. Jah know. Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah's skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. My branch spread far, but heart stay near. To Zion drum me always here. Like a tree of life, me stand firm. Even when the system burn, me nah break, me just grow wise. Me leave them dance under Jah's skies. Yes, I'm a tree still rise. Roots deep in our ancient ground. Baseline roll with healing sound. Let the wind blow, let it test. My tree grows slow, but Jah know best. My leaf gives shade to ones in need. My trunk stands strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. Like a tree of life, but still bloom. Even in Babylon gloom, me rise each day with peace inside. My branches wide, my roots can't hide. Ooh, Jah, me stand in pride. Me no fear no knife. Me grounded in life. Me live, me rise. In Jah I thrive. Me feel peace in my chest. Them talk a war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest, me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest, flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside, no wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing. You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Then try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry, cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth will lie. Me find the strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, me reason why. Roots never die, through drought and flame. Still whisper your holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Now your bingy drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn my shell. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise. Ishi. Just speak. Nothing noise. Nothing noise. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind float to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touch my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key, the truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave, now ya bring it chant true, leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within, me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend, and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might, it shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flows from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear, it tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe here. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside. Before so me walk with care. Every route tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding high through right and wrong, through shadow deep and history. Me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice, them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, my eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep, in every song the soul release. Them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Naya Bingi drums in sacred key, the roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low, me let Jawan beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace, me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud, me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see, me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, I, me root in Jah land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self, me walk for y'all. Wake up with the sound of the sea, palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea, as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. We rise so high. high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony. Me no need gun, my charm song. Jah is my shield, Jah is my calm. Rebel with a prior scene. Oh, I and I no follow man-made rule. Them build the system to keep me fooled. But I read the signs and seek the sound of roots and wisdom underground. With dreadlocks flying in the breeze, I walk with honor, live in peace. No violence in this heart of mine, just truth and rhythm in a time. I'm a rebel with the prior, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. So I rise and I chant, with every breath I give thanks. They try to divide we with skin and flag, but we come from the same old rag. From Africa to every shore, Jah children can't ignore. I and I rise above illusion. Don't feed the beast of confusion. My revolution, soft and slow, like rivers under moonlight flow. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. One light, one love, one flame. I don't march for gold or fame. Na 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 na. Lionheart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie I lead my way through the night and into day. Lionheart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify.